Hi, my name is Vishwajeet Vishnu, and I'm the Managing Director at Solutions Private Limited. I want to congratulate Team Widex for having a super successful product, their SmartRICs. And I would like to say that this is a really, really amazing product. One thing I like about the SmartRICs is the power bank that they have in the hearing aid and also the L shape of the hearing aid, especially the microphone which focuses in the front, really helps with clarity and gives a lot of satisfaction to our customers. Our patients are super happy, and once again I would like to congratulate the whole team for bringing in such an amazing product.